Ever wondered how some YouTubers are making thousands of dollars every month? Well, today we're going to spill the secrets on how to create a successful YouTube channel using the free AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. We'll walk you through the process, step by step, from generating content ideas to creating top-notch videos with voiceovers, images, and auto captions. So buckle up and get ready to discover the incredible power of AI tools on your journey to earning a substantial online income. Are you ready to transfer in your YouTube game and start earning big bucks using the latest AI tools? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll reveal the best way to make money using ChatGPT in 2023. And we'll discuss some new AI tools that we have talked about. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks. Let's dive in. First things first, to make the most of your YouTube channel, you need to have it monetized. Monetization allows you to earn revenue from your videos, making sure that all your hard work pays off. One service that can help you with this process is DFY Dave. Monetization is the key to unlocking the true potential of your YouTube channel. With monetization enabled, you can start making money from your videos, turning your channel into a cash-generating machine. But how do you get started with monetization? That's where DFY Dave comes in. This amazing service offers a comprehensive monetization package that takes care of everything, from setting up your AdSense account to optimizing your channel for maximum revenue. With their ongoing support, you can rest assured that your channel will remain monetized and set up for success. Now that we've covered monetization, let's dive into getting your channel up and running. This involves coming up with a catchy channel name and customizing your branding. A catchy and memorable channel name is crucial for making your channel stand out. But don't worry, ChatGPT has got your back. This powerful AI tool can generate creative and unique channel name ideas in no time. Just provide a prompt like, generate 10 YouTube channel name ideas for a channel that posts riddles and fun facts, and ChatGPT will supply a list of potential names. Once you've chosen a channel name, it's time to create and customize your YouTube channel. Set up a Google account, and then start customizing your channel's branding. This process is relatively straightforward and essential for building your online presence. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to start creating some fantastic content. Let's explore how AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can help you generate content ideas and create high-quality videos. Coming up with fresh and engaging content ideas can be challenging, but ChatGPT can help. By providing a prompt, ChatGPT will generate a list of potential topics for you, saving you time and energy and allowing you to focus on creating top-notch videos. Midjourney AI is another powerful tool that can help you create professional quality videos. With features like voiceovers, images, and auto captions, you can provide engaging content that attracts viewers and keeps them coming back for more. Now that we have some content ideas, let's talk about creating engaging scripts for your videos using ChatGPT. To create an engaging script for your YouTube video, provide a prompt that outlines the topic and tone you want, such as generate a script featuring entertaining fun facts about sharks and tips on how to survive a shark attack. ChatGPT will then generate a script that aligns with your desired topic and tone. Use this generated script as a starting point and edit it to fit your preferences. High-quality voiceovers can significantly enhance your YouTube videos, and with 11 Labs, creating professional voiceovers is quick and straightforward. A great voiceover can make all the difference in making your video stand out. With 11 Labs, you can generate realistic human-like voices for your video using advanced text-to-speech technology. After generating your script with ChatGPT, copy and paste it into 11 Labs and select your preferred voice and tone. 11 Labs will then create a voiceover that aligns with your chosen tone and style, sounding like a real human voice. The right image can make your YouTube videos more engaging and visually appealing. Midjourney is an AI-powered platform that helps you create the perfect images for your videos. Images play a crucial role in making your videos more captivating. With Midjourney, you can generate high-quality images without the need for expensive stock photo subscriptions or hiring a professional photographer. To use Midjourney, provide a prompt or a few keywords related to your video topic, and it will generate high-quality images for you to use. This saves you both time and money. A captivating thumbnail is essential to attract viewers to your video. Canva is an excellent tool for creating visually appealing and relevant thumbnails for your YouTube channel. An eye-catching thumbnail is crucial for grabbing the attention of potential viewers. Canva makes it easy to create stunning thumbnails that will help your videos stand out. To create a thumbnail with Canva, open the app and choose the YouTube thumbnail template. Upload your own images or use Canva's library of stock photos to create your thumbnail. Add text, shapes, and other design elements to make your thumbnail stand out and capture the attention of your audience. In addition to creating amazing content, you'll also need to establish a strong brand identity for your YouTube channel. A captivating profile picture and a compelling about section are essential components of this identity. A great profile picture is vital for any successful YouTube channel. It serves as the visual representation of your brand and helps establish your identity on the platform. You and Their Image is a fantastic tool that allows you to generate a custom profile picture for your YouTube channel quickly and easily. To use You and Their Image, input basic information such as your name, industry, and style preference, and the tool will generate a range of potential profile pictures for you to choose from. With You and Their Image, creating a standout profile picture has never been more straightforward. The About section of your YouTube channel is an essential part of your channel's identity. It informs viewers about who you are, what your channel offers, and why they should subscribe to your content. However, crafting the perfect About section can be challenging, especially if you're unsure where to begin. A well-written section is crucial for giving potential subscribers a clear understanding of your channel's content and purpose. With ChatGPT's advanced natural language processing capabilities, you can generate a captivating About section for your channel in just a few simple steps. To get started, provide ChatGPT with a prompt describing your channel's focus, such as, "Can you help me generate an About section for a YouTube channel that features educational content on science and technology?" ChatGPT will use its advanced algorithms to generate a customized About section that accurately reflects your brand and channel's content. You can use this generated text as a starting point and edit it as needed to make it more personal and tailored to your style. Optimizing your video descriptions with relevant keywords and phrases can help your video rank higher in YouTube search results. vidIQ makes it easy to create effective video descriptions that can boost your video's visibility. After uploading your video to YouTube, go to the Video section in vidIQ and select the video you want to optimize. vidIQ will provide suggestions based on your video's content and target audience. Include relevant keywords and phrases, and add a call to action engaging viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. To expand your channel's reach and exposure, consider using Panel Stars, a platform that offers various services to help you grow your online presence and reach a larger audience. Promoting your channel can help increase your views and subscribers, ultimately leading to more revenue from your YouTube channel. Panel Stars provides a wide range of services to help you achieve your goals and grow your online presence. Panel Stars offers services such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, email marketing, and more. Select the service that best suits your needs and budget. Their team of experts can help you create a custom marketing plan tailored to your specific goals, resulting in more views on your videos and ultimately increasing your revenue. Keeping track of your channel's performance is essential to ensuring that your content is resonating with your audience and to identify areas for improvement. TubeBuddy is a powerful YouTube analytics tool that can help you monitor and optimize your channel's performance. By monitoring your channel's performance, you can better understand your audience's preference and make data-driven decisions to improve your content strategy. TubeBuddy provides comprehensive analytics, making it easy to keep track of your channel's growth and engagement. Well, there you have it, folks. We've explored the best ways to make money using ChatGPT and other AI tools in 2023. By incorporating these tools and strategies into your content creation process, you can elevate your YouTube channel and maximize your earnings. So what are you waiting for? It's time to dive into the world of AI-powered YouTube success and start making some serious cash. Remember, consistency and creativity are key, so keep experimenting and learning from your experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube channel and making money online. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment down below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to check out more videos on the screen.